Understanding maintenance-free, an essential phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the phrase, maintenance-free. This is a common term you might encounter in various contexts, such as in product descriptions, housing, or technology. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you comprehend the features and benefits of different items and services. Let's get started. Maintenance-free refers to products, systems, or services that require no regular upkeep, repair, or care by the user to continue functioning effectively. This phrase suggests convenience and ease of use. For example, a maintenance-free battery doesn't need water to be added, or a maintenance-free garden might not require regular weeding or watering. Subsection 2.1. In product descriptions. In product descriptions, maintenance-free indicates that the product does not require ongoing attention or additional costs for upkeep. This can be a significant selling point for customers looking for convenience and cost-effectiveness. Subsection 2.2. In housing and real estate. In real estate, a maintenance-free home means the owner is not responsible for certain upkeep tasks, often because of a homeowners association that takes care of it. This is appealing for those who want a hassle-free living experience. Subsection 2.3. In technology. In the tech world, maintenance-free often refers to software or hardware that doesn't require regular updates or troubleshooting. This makes them user-friendly, especially for those not technically inclined. Choosing a maintenance-free option usually means saving time and effort in the long run. However, it's important to understand that sometimes these options might come with other limitations or higher upfront costs. It's about weighing the pros and cons based on your needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the term, maintenance-free. Whether you're shopping for a new gadget, looking for a new home, or just trying to improve your English, understanding phrases like this can be incredibly useful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.